Welcome to ITS 149R. Let's take a look at how to import into PHP an Excel file. So I've downloaded my Excel file. Here it is over here. Yeah. I'm going to get rid of this guy. Start fresh. So I'm going to go ahead and just download this guy. And then I'm going to go ahead and open it. And I got this. And I'm just going to save it to my desktop. We're going to have to save a couple of different copies, maybe even 3. So this is the original one. I'm just going to call it Wahoo Recycling. I'm going to do the hard one first. So Wahoo Recycling, the Wahoo Recycling over here like this. Again, what we want to do is we want to select all of this guy because the years are the one thing that they have common with recycling, the years, right? So we're going to create relationship based on these things. So again, what we have to do is we have to come here and then I'm going to copy it, go to another sheet, and when I paste it, I'm going to transpose, right? Then when I transpose, I'm going to change it up a little bit. And, I just want to make real fast over here. News office, just kind of like this now. So, but I'm just trying to make it all one. I just trying to make it one word, make it easy. Tires, auto, bat, elect, green, wood, construct, food, other. Okay, like this, right? So now I just got some data and you gotta clean up more. But what I'm gonna do is once I got that, that's where I put it now. I'm gonna go ahead and delete the other ones. Right button click, delete. And then right button click, delete. Yeah, so I got this. Now, I'm going to call this sheet, just rename, give it a name. I'm just going to call it Wahoo Recycle. Wahoo Recycle. Yeah, give it another name. Then you have to save it. File save as. And you have to go, I'm going to put it on my desktop. And then you have to go and save it as an open document spreadsheet type. And I'm just going to give this another name, Recycle. Okay. So yes, he's going to give this warning message. There's a possibility you might lose some, but that's no problem. Click over here, and then I'm going to close this. Then I'm going to open up my original file. I should have a copy of my original file. Recycling over here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of my first one. Well, I'm going to just delete this. Now I just have the recycle rate. Now I got to clean this guy up a little bit too. So I'm going to get rid of the first 2 rows. And then I'm going to just, again, general C and D total. Yeah, like this, right? Save. Okay, and I'm going to call this recycle rate. Okay, so, now we have a couple of, sorry, I missed one step. So when you file save as, I'm going to come over here on my desktop. Has to be an open document spreadsheet. Open recycling founding. I'm going to call this recycle rate. Yeah, recycle rate. Okay, recycle rate. Okay, cool. So now when you look at it, I have a couple of, if you look at it, the properties are that these are an open document spreadsheet, and so is this one. Oh, this one here. You can kind of see open document spreadsheet. So we have to change the data type, the spreadsheet type. Now we come to inside of PHPMyAdmin, make a new database. Let's call it Wahoo. I'm just going to make fast the Wahoo, yeah. Great. And then what I have to do is I have to go ahead and import. I'm going to import the Wahoo's Recycle Open Doc. Okay. And then I'm going to make sure that this guy's checked. This says Open Document Spreadsheet, and this one is checked. So that should be fine. And just so that I can check the data, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to run the SQL. I'm just going to click here again. Sorry. And I should see the data, right? I should see the data. Year. I click on the Wahoo again, and I'm going to bring in the other spreadsheet, right? I'm going to come in import, choose file. This time I'm going to pick recycle rate. And make sure that it's open document spreadsheet. Make sure that it's checked, and it should be okay. I'm going to click on recycle rate, and I got my data, right? So now let's click on the Wahoo again. Let's go and do the designer, and you got this guy. Now, we still have problems with this, yeah? Number one of these guys has to be a primary key. So I'm going to make the recycle rate year a primary key. So I click on recycle rate. I go to the, click on columns, yeah? And I'm going to click on year, and then I'm going to click on primary. Then I'm going to click on go. So what that does, if I come back to Wahoo and designer, now year has a primary key to it, yeah? You see it over there? Okay. So now it has a primary key. Now here's a problem. Still, we have that problem over here. So we come over here, and we come here, and we create this, and there's that area. So once again, we have to go. I'm going to click on recycle rate. Yeah, and I'm going to click on structure, relation view, and again, I'm going to say year. Year, and column year, database Wahoo, table recycle rate, and year, right? So then when I save this guy, I'm going to get this thing over here like this. Now when I come, no, it's over there. The year table. Okay, one more time. Year. Because it's not, they don't have the same data, unfortunately. Column year, database, Wahoo, table, recycle rate, year. Do not restrict, no action, no action. Okay, then see. Yeah. And if we do that, guy over there, click on Wahoo, and we need designer, it should be okay. Okay, one more time over there. Let's go look at this Wahoo structure or recycle rate structure. Year, relation table, year, year, database, Wahoo recycle. Oh, maybe I got to do it the other way. Every time we got to go do this again. Structure, click on Wahoo recycle, relationship year, column year, database, Wahoo, table, recycle rate, year, see. There, now it's okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now when we click on Wahoo, then we click on designer, there's the relationship. Okay, so that should be good.